what's going on, guys? It's Zach TV here. Hey, he's my old name. That's weird. Oh, this is a surprise vlog, even though it's meant to vlog 7 times. I just ran, so I'm pretty tired. I ran a little bit farther away so I could get these awesome shots for this vlog. I'm very tired. But yeah, I'm gonna get some awesome shots of a mansion and then do what the main vlog is about. Get to the mansion where I started the vlog at. I have to go back up the stairs and I'm very tired. Very tired. Okay, I'm gonna get the shot to the mansion. Awesome mansion, right? Yeah, that's it. I don't know if I'm allowed to vlog here, so I better get going. I better get going from this shot. I like this shot, but it's not really a good shot for this vlog. Oh, really? Okay, this is stupid. Okay, this is why you don't allow people to drink. That is why we don't allow people to drink here on Graves K channel. Because drinking sucks. So I'm gonna get these awesome shots, so I'm gonna pause my camera here for a second and get the awesome shots. Okay, are we vlogging? Yes, we are vlogging. Here's what the main vlog is about. That man named Charlie. No, kidding. Kidding. No, it's actually... Oh, random truck. Hashtag random truck. Okay, this could be the name of the video. A random truck vlog. That's actually a good name of the video. I'm gonna name it that. Missed the license plate on purpose. But yeah, there's some power lines, huh? No random car. Random car vlog. Random truck vlog sounds better. Wow. My aerial view is not that good. But yeah, they're just fixing some power lines. And there's another one down there. Let's move you out. Let's get back in. So you have to keep it focused. But yeah, they're doing that kind of stuff here, and yeah. I'm really just starting the vlog again. But yeah. Oh yeah, another shot of the mansion. That's awesome. Oh, I call it the mansion. I don't even know what it is. But yeah, I can't really get any closer because safety. I hate safety. But yeah, safety. But yeah, I'm gonna zoom in on a few other things that I found while vlogging here. Not that car's license plate because I'm making sure I don't get any license plate in the video. But that thing, whatever it's called, that thing is super, super cool. That thing, whatever it is called. Sorry, I just turn that thing so I can make sure I'm vlogging myself and not the ground. But yeah, it's really just a random truck vlog and it's pretty random. It's in the bloody name, actually. A random truck vlog. I'm gonna name it that. I'm gonna put it in the description. Hashtag, you must be truck age to be able to watch this truck vlog. Okay, that's gonna be kind of funny. That would be funny. Oh, no trash pass, I better leave. Okay, that's kind of funny. Gonna walk up a few steps. Keep looking at me, keep looking at me, keep looking at me. Keep looking at me, keep looking at me. I was standing in that area. So, I shouldn't get any coins because there's a tunnel. But yeah. The random taxi cab. I'm gonna get away from the machines. For safety measures. Wait, was someone using a jackhammer? No, I thought someone was using a random jackhammer. That was hilarious. This is gonna be called a random truck vlog. You know, it has random trucks in it. That random truck. Oh, I'm semi. I'm not gonna show the license plate, so I'm just gonna keep walking like I'm walking. Random beer bottle again. Just appear up here. awesome track, isn't it? It's freakishly cold. It is freakishly cold here. My God, it's freakishly cold here. Is that my name? It's just freakishly cold outside where I'm vlogging, so yeah. You know, I like the cold, it's freakishly cold. Oh, I hear any of the Dodge dog poop. That's weird. But yeah, this is a pretty fun vlog to record because I like trucks. I like trucks. Haven't been here since 4th of July, baby. We're in a different area, which usually has a lot more leaves and foliage on it. Am I doing myself? No. Okay, awesome. Ah, the sun! Get away from the sun! But yeah, I'm not in my normal vlog spot because I used to vlog in the back of my house. Or was I always vlogging in a mansion? But that's all I'm gonna show the mansion because it could be copyrighted. Yeah, I'm open one. America! That's funny. America! What do those pancakes taste like? America. Of course, it's hilarious. But yeah, I better get home pretty soon because my skin's starting to turn red. But yeah, random truck vlog, random truck. That makes physical sense, doesn't it? Oh, it's actually people that live right next to us. That's hilarious, isn't it? That's hilarious, isn't it? Again, it's so freakishly cold. No pun intended, it's freakishly cold. So where's my super suit, I wonder? Where's my super suit? Oh, I almost fell down. I fell down that. That wouldn't be good than a dog poop. But yeah, I'm supposed to be filming the acres and there being no trespassing zone. So yeah, I better leave before I get in trouble. Yeah. I'm going down this mountain. That was funny. Okay, I'm gonna go. Go. Random tree stump. Damn it. Okay. I'm walking around a little bit more. Just for fun. But yeah, I'm just gonna be walking around a little bit more just for fun. Okay, away from the big trucks. Never mind. Big trucks. Owned by Craven Skate Productions. That makes sense. Rogue. That makes sense. But yeah, I better end the vlog soon. End the vlog. Don't worry, I'm still in the vlog. No one cares when I'm in the vlog. So I'm in the vlog. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. It's actually shorter than most of my other vlogs. The shortest one. Besides, you know, the bad one. But yeah. So see you guys. Hope you enjoyed the vlog. Bye!